Porsche has officially marked the end of its exclusive 911 Dakar series, which concluded with a uniquely personalized model delivered at the Porsche factory in Zuffenhausen. Known for its ability to perform on rough terrain and regular roads alike, the 911 Dakar was first introduced in November 2022. Porsche limited production to only 2,500 units, making each one a rare collector's item. The final handover took place at the Porsche Museum, where the last of these off-road ready sports cars received its own twist as part of Porsche's Sonderwunsch, or Special Wish program, for a dedicated Italian collector. Built for versatility, the Porsche 911 Dakar has about 50mm more ground clearance than the Carrera model with sport suspension, giving it extra capability on unpredictable terrain. The model boasts standout off-road additions like widened wheel arches, rugged sills, and red aluminum recovery loops at the front and rear. Powering the 911 Dakar is a 3-liter twin-turbo 6-cylinder engine, delivering a strong 480 horsepower and 570 Newton-meters of torque. This high-performance engine pairs with the signature Boxer engine sound, amplifying the thrilling driving experience. To create a truly unique final 911 Dakar, Porsche worked directly with the new owner on the car's exterior design. The vehicle was given a custom 3-tone paint job inspired by Porsche's Paris-Dakar rally-winning vehicle from 1984. It features signal yellow and gentian blue metallic shades divided by a hand-painted Lampedusa blue line, named for the Italian Mediterranean island. The alloy wheel spokes are painted signal yellow, while Lampedusa blue frames the rim edge. In a touch of precision and artistry, Porsche designers collaborated with the owner to apply the livery entirely by hand. Inside, the unique touches continue with vibrant yellow stitching on black surfaces, adding contrast across the dashboard, console, and doors. The 911 Dakar name is embroidered in speed yellow on the headrests, with matching speed yellow detailing on the gear selector. Custom LED projectors cast the Sonderwunsch logo onto the ground when the doors open, adding to the sense of exclusivity. Through careful design and attention to every detail, Porsche ensured this 911 Dakar was a masterpiece of individual expression and a fitting farewell to the series.